Well, good morning. This is Dave from RC, and I wanted to talk about the F4 Jet here. I made a video about this previously, but while we were at flight test, me and John buddy boxed this F4 Jet with two Taranis radios. Now, if you don't know what buddy boxing is, it's when you hook two radios together, either by Bluetooth or with a cord. In our case, we just used a mono cord. Audio cord just plugs in the back right here, and then it plugs into your radio. One's the master and one's the slave. And what was going on is, when I wanted John to take control of the jet, I just pushed this switch up and hold it, and then he could fly it. And then if anything went wrong, I could let go of the switch, and then I could take control back. So that's buddy boxing. Another thing I'm checking out in this, or testing, is my FireFly 8SE camera, and it's a little camera that looks like a GoPro, and I put it on my hat and made a hat cam out of it, and I was just testing it out. It has a 90-degree field of view, so it looks more natural when you're filming. The film looks more like the naked eye would because it isn't such a wide angle, and it has a pretty good lens on it and good recording features. So I'm testing that too in the video. So buddy boxing and the FireFly 8SE camera. Okay, let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna do some buddy boxing on the F4, the Hobbyking F4 Jet. And this is another experiment because we've never done this. Right and left. Up, down. Oh, sorry, I stole one of your chairs. Then, okay, that seemed good. Okay, now you try it. Is it going the right direction?
There's left.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Down. Okay.
Down.
Okay, now let me try this.
Keep sitting. I'm just going to keep this.
Throttle.
Yeah, seems good.
Now, if we do get it in the air, you'll probably won't you have to move your throttle where mine is before I can give you control?
Yeah, you will.
Okay, so, and I don't know where that's going to be. All right.
You have to tell me, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, which way is the wind going?
I guess.
Low pass. Where's the low pass? Oh, there it is.
Right there it is. There's the low pass.
All right. All right, I'm going to try it.
Whoa. A little twitchy there, huh?
Yeah, but it's working.
What throttle you got?
Landing, right to left.
I got half throttle now.
Half?
So what I want to do is get it now down near us and head it away from us, and then I'll give you control.
Okay.
Maybe not this pass. Let's just practice getting the kind of pass we want.
You are. You almost hit that plane.
I was trying to avoid it, and I almost hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to save that for combat.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to come around, and I'm going to see if I can let go of the sticks here. Now it wants to go down and to the left a little bit.
Can you trim it?
Gave it a little bit of up. Oh, that was the wrong way, wasn't it?
You need to go to the right, don't you? You need me to do it? That's the right one for going to elevator.
That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah. 10 feet more than you need, but you know.
So right there, I'd probably try to give it to you. Right in that turn right there, you think you could handle that?
I don't know about the turn, but okay, I'll have to turn it while the turn goes on.
Okay.
If you can get it spaced.
Okay, grab a hold of you ready with your sticks?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, now. You got it? Nope.
I gave it elevator. I did give it elevator at the last minute.
Okay, I'll try it again. It's a little bit low. I'm gonna get it up there higher. All right, now. Got it?
Yeah, I think I got it.
All right, get it flat and level. All right, I took
tried
it.
to level it out.
I took
I'm
it.
having troubles with orientation though. Yeah.
All
I
right.
was kind of doing the quadcopter dance, you know.
All right, I'm going to get it back down here, flat and level. Okay, bring it back around. I'll give it to you when we come into it.
All right.
I'm going to get it up higher. All right, now.
Oh, I wasn't looking.
Oh, okay,
down.
never mind then. Okay, I'm going to come back around. It was better up high.
Squinting a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to come up. All right, now.
You're kind of a little bit too high there. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Oh, where am I?
All right, I got
There
it.
you go. Okay, all right.
No problem, I got it.
I did kind of save it towards the end where it would have flopped in the landing, but
All right, well,
yeah. I know.
all right, coming around. All right, and now. You got it?
I think so. Oh.
Get it flat.
Too pitchy. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. All right.
I took it
yeah.
because it looked like it was.
I did nose it up right before you hit the switch though.
Yeah.
I could have saved it, but I noticed it was kind of heading down, you know.
Okay, coming around again.
Too much. There's not enough throttle. I'm gonna bring the throttle up a little bit.
Okay, you ready?
All right.
Coming around. I'm going to get it up in the air, and now.
All right. It's kind of nosed up a little bit there.
Can you still see it? Oh.
I brought it up there a little bit.
I took control back as it.
I guess my rates aren't high enough for me. I'm not comfortable with the rates. I'm used
Or
to
maybe
high
they're
rates.
too high.
I mean, I think the rates are too low for the elevator.
All right.
'Cause I'm barely touching it and it doesn't hardly do anything. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I think the rates are a little too.
Okay, I'll bring it around and I'll give it to you again.
Oh.
Oh, maybe I won't.
Good thing I was spotting you there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it up in
You
the
had
air.
an itch. That's what messed you up there.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna bring.
Wait. How much? You got too much throttle. I think you got too much throttle, so you kind of bellied it a little bit there.
All right.
Now, where are you? There
Throttle's down. I'm coming up in the air.
Okay.
Coming around. Look at the plane.
Right.
Look at the plane.
There,
Look at
got
the
it.
plane. And coming around. And now.
All right, it's going down a little bit there. Got it. I went up too far.
You're good. You're good. Turn towards us. Nose up.
Bank and yank. That's my.
That's
problem.
good. That's good. Okay, you're getting a little low.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking it.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, I had my throttle might have been too low. That might have been why it's so squirrely. I'm gonna bring my throttle up a notch or two.
All right.
Yeah.
Coming around again.
I'm still kind of getting comfortable with it, you know. So.
Oh yeah, it takes time. This is not the beginner plane.
Yeah, that's true. Another thing.
All right, coming around.
You're up in the air, right?
Yeah, I'm up in the air. Okay, now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it. I'm maybe a little bit too
Oh.
much in the elevator. Oh, yeah. I hit the elevator and it went down. You might want to just flop it or something.
I still got it.
Still got it?
Yeah, still got it. I
I
almost
got visual on you though, just in case.
lost orientation.
Yeah, I know that happens to me too.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go around the circle again and throttle down.
Yeah, my throttle might have been too high, you think? Yeah, you're really like kind of low on the throttle there.
It really got out of control. All right, coming around again.
All right, let me find you. There you are.
There I am. All
I'll
right,
keep my hand
going
on the
up
throttle
high,
this time.
leveling off. Now, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I may have too much throttle.
Oh,
I lost orientation.
I noticed that. Got it back.
I think I went right instead of left. That's the problem.
Okay, I'll try to give it to you sooner.
Yeah.
All right, coming around again.
Let me make sure my throttle's right spot. Yep.
You got eyes on it?
Yeah.
All right, now. Oh,
Whoa,
no.
Turn too much. I think the aileron needs to be decreased on the rates for me,
Yeah.
but increased on the elevator, so I have more elevator control. 'Cause I think the elevator is my problem mostly,
Okay.
But
All right, ready? Go.
yeah. All right. Oh, I
Oh,
think
level
I
off.
stalled it.
Level
oh,
off.
I got it.
Got it?
Oh no.
All right, I got it.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna land it.
You think you got enough battery or anything?
Yeah, I think the battery's getting low. Oh darn.
think the battery went out. Oh, you tethered.
Oh, here, hold my radio. I'm trying to keep eyes on it. Here, I'll put it on the ground.
Yeah, that'll work easier.
All right, I hope I can find it.
Yeah.
Going out. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I think it's repairable. I got all the pieces. Yeah, I definitely think we could repair this and fly it again. Yeah, it looks repairable.
Really? It looks pretty well bashed up to me.
Well, this foam is pretty resilient, see?
But it broke a lot.
I think we need some foam tack. We can fix it up. Okay. Yeah.
It might take a lot, though.
It might take a little bit of work, but I've seen worse. And the jet took a little hit at the end. And it wasn't John that crashed it was actually me at the controls. But what happened was the battery got so low, we flew it for so long, it finally just ran out of steam and come down out of the sky. But it was easy to patch. We glued it back together, got all the pieces and glued it back together.